8 months ago, I was just another unemployed graduate scrolling through job sites every day. Today, I run a futuristic advertising business making 500,000 naira every month with just one device I bought online. Let me show you how I did it. It all started when I saw a viral video of a 3D hologram ad in Dubai, a floating bottle of Coke spinning in mid-air, no screen, no glasses. I thought, this is the future, and Nigeria needs it now. So I took my last 300k and ordered a hologram fan from Alibaba. Best decision ever. Here is how it works. This device uses spinning LED strips to project images that look like they are floating in air. No magic, just science. You upload ads as MP4 files and boom, your client's product is dancing above their restaurant counter. My startup cost is about 400k. The device cost 300k and I had to get a small solar setup for 80k because NEPA no dey joke. The rest of the change was used to pay a designer to create 3D arts. My first pitch was to a small restaurant in Enugu. The owner laughed and said, "Chioma, is this juju?" But when I projected a 3D plate of pepper soup above our counter, customers started filming it. He paid 20k weekly after that. But it wasn't all smooth. Skeptical clients had to give them free trials to win them over. Content update. I had to hire someone to help me in designing the 3D arts before I could master it. Let me give you a pro tip about this business. Wedding planners love this. Charge 50k to project their couple's name in 3D. Easy money. Within 3 months, I had 5 devices placed in restaurants for 15 to 30k weekly, cinema houses for 40k weekly, wedding receptions 50k at events. That's 500k monthly. Now I'm expanding to Lagos and Abuja. My goal is 5 million per year by December. So are you ready to start? Here's your first step. Google 3D hologram fan on Alibaba. Get the 65-inch model. Comment hashtag hologram hustle below if you want my free client pitch script. Remember, the future isn't coming, it's here, and you you could be the one selling it.